I've always wanted to do a surviving van life in a snowstorm video, so that's what this is today. We're in Mount Hood in Oregon, and we're going up to the Timberland Lodge, and that's where they filmed The Shining. So that's super crazy exciting. Wow, that's cool. Evo up here. Anyway, I'm a California boy, so driving in the snow, this is like my first experience ever, and the element is doing great. I'm having a ton of fun. This is so fun. Wow. It's snowing, y'all. This is crazy cool. I was not expecting this. This is gonna be a night. Wow, that's crazy. Can you guys see that? That's insane. So yeah, we're gonna look at this. This is crazy. It's just starting to snow. So see if we survive the snow tonight. How exciting. Wow. It's time to hit the hay. We slept at this rest area and it was snowing all night. People were like drifting in the back of this parking lot, getting too close to my car. So this was not a great spot, but it snowed and I'm gonna go outside and check it out. You gotta understand, I'm a California boy. I don't deal with the snow. I've never driven in the snow. This is my first time driving in like real snow. Cool. Whoa, that's crazy. Ellie's getting some snow. Look at these trees though. Wow. I don't even know what to do with this. I'm supposed to scrape it off or something? Oh my gosh. I almost died getting that shot. I swear you guys better subscribe. Do you guys see this right now? This is the lodge for The Shining. This is freaking nuts, dude. We gotta go inside and check that out. Dude, Ellie did so good. Dude. What the heck? For sure. I can't wait to get outside and see all the snow. That looks looking good. Wow, this is crazy. Kidding me? You guys better subscribe. You see this? I don't even know how to drive in the snow. This is incredible. This is absolutely incredible. I can't even believe this. This is unreal. Unfreaking real. Wow, 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 wow. I think it's fancy as hell. Laundromat that I've ever been to anywhere ever, so huge shout out to whoever runs this laundromat because it's completely awesome. So I'll leave the link down below because like if you guys are traveling in the area, you definitely want to come here and do some laundry real quick. So we're just a few minutes outside of Yakima and we're gonna do some car camping, and my clothes were so stinky from all that running, so here we are. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is jaw-dropping. This is just epic. It's like sunset right now. I'm like lost for words. I'm like, this is truly spectacular. So we are almost at the top, and I think once we get to the top, we're just gonna have this killer view.